Great. All right. Get that picture of you guys. Okay. Don't usually shut this video, just a little bit. All right, everybody. Let's just move around. Let's just stretch right now. Just move your hips. Stretch your hips. Oh, we got a camera. Hello.
Hi. How's it going? Did we start yet?
Your hips. Yeah, twist. Twist. Twist.
Should I turn
Even
off?
better, keep your hands high here, not low, right? Bang, and then pivot your foot, right? Pivot your foot.
Okay. Oops.
Pivot.
Do we have other people with no audio?
All right, let's get a little shuffle in our legs.
Oh no, I don't like bouncing.
A little shuffle. Pick it up. And the legs moving. You can, don't be flat-footed. Don't have your feet completely flat. You need to stay on the ball of your feet. Have a little pep in your step. All right, get low. Get low. Get low. Down, stay down. Up. Let's punch it out with the shuffle. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep your arms straight. Don't flail your elbows like this. Not good. Twist. Twist. Tuck your chin in. Good. Sam's going to keep going. I'm going to watch everybody. Good form. Yeah, keep your elbows in. Nice work. Keep going. We've got 30 seconds. Warming up the whole body here. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks.
Wait, jumping jacks.
Spread your legs. Bring your hands above your head. Unbend your elbows.
my modification. Plus, I have neighbors downstairs.
Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's go back to the shuffle.
Let's go back to the shuffle.
Okay. Arms across.
Arms across.
Shoulders. Full body.
Full body.
Not low. Right? Always breathe. Breathe. Okay. Pick up your knees. Knees. Not this. Right? Knee. Put those knees up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, shake it out.
Was it supposed to be the male or something?
Shake out your arms, shake out your legs. Everything, shoulders. So pick one direction and move your shoulders that direction. 30 seconds. One direction only.
Guys, could you please mute
One
yourself?
direction only. Keep going. Good job.
Hey everyone, if you haven't seen in the chat, if you could please mute your microphones, that would be great. Thank you.
Other direction. Keep going. Good job. Other direction. Nice. Okay. So, right now we're going to do some conditioning here. All right, we're going to start with push-ups. Okay, we're going to do 20 push-ups, right? I'll show you the form right here. Push-ups, right? Not too wide, not too far in. If you can do them on your knees, that's fine. Try to be up. Look up the whole time. Be strong, all right? 1. All right, we're not going to do it now. I'm just giving you an example. 2, slow and low. Try to get all the way down to the ground. So everybody get down, get down. Get down. 20 push-ups. My count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up, 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 up. Good. Next thing, we're just going to do good old squats. Good old squats. So Sam's going to turn around this way. Okay. He's sinking his butt down into his heels. Butt down into his heels. Arms completely straight. Right? Chin isn't high in the air. Feet shoulder width apart. Okay, we're going to do 20. Some of you are already starting. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. 9, 10. Good. It's hot here. Next one. Sam is going to demonstrate here. You're going to go down. You're going to do plank rotations. Okay? Watch Sam's form. He's on his forearms. Okay? He's going to bring one in the middle. He's going to stretch, turn to the side, hand in the air. He's going to come back to center and then go on the other side. If you want more of a challenge, stack your legs on top of each other. If you want even greater challenge, stack your legs and lift up one leg. We're going to do 20. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Break. Everybody grab a sip of water, please. Grab someone to drink. I feel like Thailand in this trip is hot. All right. We're going to go over some basic Muay Thai technique. Okay. So, whenever you walk into a Muay Thai gym and it's the first day, the first thing that they're going to have you work on is your stance and how you're supposed to stand. Get excited, we want to start hitting stuff, but it's so easy to hit wrong. Okay, so the one thing you want to do is just focus on stance, focus on relaxing and not being stiff. In Thailand, anytime you're stiff, you're too stiff, the trainers, they have to sing like, no RoboCop. Don't be like RoboCop, right? You don't want to be stiff. You want to be nice and loose and relaxed. Kind of when we were, like, just how we were shuffling. But now, you're in your Muay Thai stance. What happens here is, turn this way. Left leg forward, right leg back. Right? This is if you were an orthodox. If you're a lefty, you might have right leg forward, left leg back. But in general, most people, left leg forward, right leg back. Because you're stronger with your right hand, and that's your power punch. So you're in your Muay Thai stance. Check out Sam. He's light on his feet. Okay? He's not planted. He's not cemented. Step back this way a little bit. You need to have this flow, and you need to have bend in your knees. You don't want your legs too straight. Also, you don't want to be too wide. Okay, so what we first do is I stand shoulder width apart normally, and I just put my left leg forward, chunk comfortable here. Even weight distribution. Now I pick up my heels, boom, I'm ready to go. This is too wide, this is too narrow. His rear leg, right, does not go behind his lead leg. It's a clear space between. So it's very important. Shoulder width, right? Yep, shoulder width the entire time. Hips, turn towards them, Sam. Hips are square. Square hips. Not like this, right? If Sam is standing in front of me and he's not square, right? He's showing me this leg. Boom, thank you. Right? So he has to be square. Why? So we can block. You can do the same with the other side. We'll go over that in a second. Get in your stance, square. Yes, yup. Hands up, not down, not too high. Don't flare the elbows. Relax. Left is left, right is right. This is the stance. If you move back, left leg goes back first, right? If you move back, your rear foot moves back first. Lead follows. Step slide. Step slide. If I go forward, lead leg goes first, rear follows. Step slide, step slide, step slide. So if I stop, I'm in my stance. If I move back and stop, I'm in my stance. So let's go forward, stance, back, up, stance, forward, stance, back, forward, relax, don't move, right? Only move in your stance. Back, forward. Are you even? Are you light? Are you heavy? Are you standing still? These are things you have to constantly remember. Are your arms too stiff? Relax. Relax. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. We're going to move left. My left. Left leg goes first. Right. Drags. I'm in my stance. Right. Left. So if we go right, you guessed it, right leg goes first, left drag. So No matter what direction you go, you're in your stance. What you don't want is walking forward, crossing over, being too heavy. That's out of stance. You're out of stance, you're out of position, you get hit, just like in any sport. You're out of position, they score. You're out of position, it's a goal, right? Back, forward, left, right, back, forward, left, right, back, forward, up, left, up, right, F, back, F, forward, F, left, F, right, on your own. Keep up with our rhythm. Like dancing. It's dancing, really. We're doing the waltz here. Ah, I messed up. Keep going, keep going. Hands up, chin tucked. Sam's got good form. Make sure that your hands are not below your chin. Your hands have to be up by your temple almost. Look where his hands are. His hands are up by his temple.
Like I'm doing a reindeer.
Yeah, he's a reindeer with his arms.
Thumbs on my eyebrows, basically.
Yep, thumbs on his eyebrows. Good. This is the basic Muay Thai footwork. So if you're ever in a situation, right, this is very important. If you're ever in a situation where there's conflict, right, and something happens, right, and somebody's in front of you, right, you don't want to be out of stance. You don't want to be out of position. If I don't know how to stand, right, I'm going to get pushed back. So anytime there's conflict or something happens, even if, you have to know how to stand. If something's happening and somebody's talking to me and they're getting aggressive, get aggressive. I'm in my stance. Hold on. I'm in my stance here. Here, if he tries to push me back, it's harder. If I'm shoulder width with both legs and he pushes me back, boom, I'm flying. Anytime something happens, hey, blah, 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 hey, da, 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 you're in your stance. You're in your stance. If something happened and I saw somebody get in their stance, I'd be like, whoa, never mind. Never mind. I made a big mistake. So stance is huge. Okay, get in your stance. Your stance. Okay, basic punch. The first punch you're gonna learn, right, is your left hand, your lead hand. It's called the jab, right? It's a jab. Lead hand is my jab. If we're gonna use a number, which we're gonna stick to in class, it's the number 1. Lead hand is your jab. It's also your 1. 1. 1. When I punch, Sam, show them the punch. Turn this way. When he punches with this 1, he steps. You have to step as you punch. It's not an arm punch. You don't wind back. You step and twist. Twist, bring it back. Why are we twisting, right? We twist to generate the torque from our hip, right? From the ground, too, right? Bing. Not this, right? Back. Back. The punch ends at your face. That's how you get a faster punch. Back. I think about this. This is a string with a tennis ball at the end. When you twist, the only knuckles that you hit with are the first 2. Only. Don't mess around with these. This is how you hurt your hand. Punching like this, punching like this. It has to come and twist this way, straight. If I was going to punch the camera, boom, boom. Not flailing my elbow. I'm on my rib, tight, tight, tight. You're going to do that with your jab. Hands up. So let's throw the jab a couple times. The stance. You don't want to go up, or, right? Have our cool stance. We're comfortable. When you end calm. Relax. Relax. Every time I punch, exhale. That punch. How do you get your weight behind your punch? How do we generate so much power? Right? Here. Hips. All hips. We're going to throw the jab 10 times. Get ready. My count. 1. Reset. 2. Reset. Are you comfortable? Are you stiff? 3. 4, step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Nice. Shake out the arms. Shake out the arms. 1. Okay, cool. All right. Now, okay, we just used our left hand. Okay, now our right hand. This is our cross, right? This is the number 2. Our jabbers are 1, 1, 1. Now our 2 is a cross. Look at my hip. Look at my foot. Right? I'm not taking my foot off the ground when I punch. I don't want to do this. Right? I need to almost turn my knee, turn my hip, use the power of my shoulder. Back. Back. One motion. Not this. Not the punch that you see at the bar. This way. No. Straight. Straight. Bring it back. Left hand doesn't move. I don't want this. Number one mistake we see is this. They bring this hand down. You're going to get clocked. If I punch them and brought this hand down, boom! You have to have your other hand up. So if I do punch and he does throw at the same time, I'm protected. Okay? This will get you hurt because you're open. And people will wait and see the openings. Let's get in our stance. So the 2, throw it a couple times. Keep your left hand up. Throw your hip. Are you turning your foot? Are you pivoting? Are you using your hip? 10 times. Get ready. 1, 2. Good form. Stay loose. Stay light. 3, 4. Where's your left hand? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, step, and 10. Hop. Okay. We're cooling down. We need some conditioning. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to come down here. All right. Knees inside of your hands. You're going to kick out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Get down. Get ready. I can't see half of you, so you better not be sitting down watching me. We're going to do 20 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jab crosses. If you haven't noticed, Muay Thai, you have to use your whole body. You work your whole body, not just your arms, not just your legs. You got to work it all.
Not just your biceps.
Not just your biceps. Even though it looks cool.
Makes your punches slower.
Yeah, it does.
Not good.
Okay, so we're going to put it together, right? We do the 1. We threw the 2. Let's put it together. 1, 2. 1 goes, 1 stays. 1 goes, 1 comes back. 1, 2. You don't want to do this, right? Right? 1, 2. Twist, twist. Straight, straight. Both targets, both knuckles should be hitting the same target. Not one here and one here. There's one target for both hands. So 1, 2. Throw it a couple times, class. Breathe out. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? Step, half step. Look at this form. Step, half step. Step, half step. I don't want to go 1. I don't want to go 1, 2 without stepping. I have to bring my foot up. 1, 2. Right? 1, 2. Throw it, class. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, good. Okay. So we just used our hands. What's next? Let's throw elbows. All right. Elbows are harder than your fists. So if you have the opportunity to throw the elbow, why not? Okay. So we threw our jab and our cross. You could also elbow from the same side. Right. So we're gonna put our punch with our elbow together. So we're gonna go back to the number 1, our jab. Jab. Okay. Now watch this. Same side. Elbow. Sam, throw the elbow in that way. He has to still step. The rule doesn't change about the stepping. He's using his shoulder. He's using his hip. Now pause at the target, Sam. Okay, notice, look at this right here. His chin, you can't even see. You can't see his chin. He's hiding his chin. There's clear space between his chin and his elbow, just in case something comes in and hits him. Right? And he steps, elbows at the same time. The elbow's in front of him, and he's hitting with the point. You don't want to come down, and you don't want to overextend. So we're going to throw a jab, right? A 1 elbow. 1 elbow, come back to stance. You need to step, step. Jab, elbow. 10 times. 1, 2, jab, elbow. 3, 1 elbow. 4, 5, 6. Notice how we reset every time. Reset. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice. Now we're going to throw the 2, our cross, elbow same side. Right? 2, elbow. Same rules apply. Cover yourself with the other hand. Don't drop it. Right? Elbow, harder than your fist. Right? You can slice, right? Coming down 1 to 7 o'clock with that elbow. Or you can throw a horizontal elbow, 3 to 9. You can smash, or you can cut. You pick it. Smash, cut. They might look the same, but I promise you they're not. Smash, cut.
It's like knockout to
Yeah,
the jaw.
Show them.
This is the horizontal elbow is a knockout to the jaw or temple. Knockout to the jaw or temple horizontal. When he says cutting elbow, you're coming down on their forehead. You want to cut your opponent's forehead. That's the elbow you throw. 1 to 7 o'clock.
So if we were both fighting each other, right, and I'm here, right, one of the elbows will smash me, right? If he comes in, boom. If I had my guard down, this would completely smash my nose, but it won't cut my forehead. If you want to come and cut the forehead, that's when you come down with this elbow here to slice from the top. Slice, smash. All right, so let's go. 2 elbow. You can pick the slice or the smash. My count, 10 count. Get ready. Get your hands up. 1, 2, elbow. 2, cross, elbow. 3, cross, elbow. 4, cross, elbow. 5, cross, elbow. 6, cross, elbow. 7, cross, elbow. 8, cross, elbow. 9, cross, elbow. And 10, cross, elbow. Need to sweat again? Sam, you can pick it.
All right, what are we doing? Let's do plyometric push-ups. Amp it up, okay?
Strong.
Plyometric push-ups are where you push off the ground forcefully.
You guys can do it. Let's go.
This is a plyo push-up.
Jump.
All right, you might even be able to fit a clap in there if you do this. All right, that's to build explosive power. It's hard work. Do 10 of these.
Tommy, try. She gave us the X. Let's go. We're gonna do 10.
10. If you can't get air, that's all right. Just do a push-up forcefully.
Also, I'll show you another modification that you can do too. Check it. If it's a lot for you to push off the ground, you can have your knees, right? Have your knees back, okay? And put all your body weight forward while bringing your legs up here. So most of your weight is coming down this way. Go from here, push, come down, push, come down. So that's a variation. 10. Get ready. Sam, you count.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo! Good job. Yeah. Knees. We're gonna do some knees now. Knees. Muay Thai's hard. Knees. Sam, take it away with the right knee.
All right. When you're throwing a right knee, the tendency is to come up, like you're picking your leg up to go up a high stair.
Don't do that.
Don't do this. What you want to do is spear your opponent forcefully using a powerful joint system, the hips. Very good. Mazen picks his rear leg up and then pops his hip out.
But don't make it 2 steps. You don't want to go knee up, thrust. Make it one motion. When there's the cops outside your door and they're going to come in with the SWAT, boom, they just bust it open in one swing. That doorbuster is your knee. Boom, one motion. Yes, good. Tommy, that was good.
Hang on, let me.
Two.
Watch my hands. You don't bring it too low. If I go for a knee and I bring my hands down,
Sometimes I do.
Hands up. Watch this.
This is kickboxing. It's actually through work.
So
But they
if
have
it wasn't in front of me, I want my hands coming
exercise
towards
classes
my face,
that are like
not
in
below.
buildings where I work.
You can still
And now
get
they're
this
zooming
torque
them.
here.
I actually want to see what their kickboxing looks like.
Back. Back to
Guys,
stance.
if
Go
you
from
aren't
knee
That'd
down.
be really
Back.
mute
interesting.
yourself now. Thank you.
Boom. You're cool. You're chilling. Try it out, class.
Oops.
Very important here. Step. Watch. Step. Step. Knee. Wide. Step. Open up my hip. Step. Bang. Step. Bang.
Mazen's lead foot is at a 45-degree angle. He's turning so his hips are facing not on the center line, but to his left.
So
his lead side.
we're going to combine it with our jab. So jab, rear knee. Left punch, right knee.
Info for them.
Jab, bring it back, knee. Jab, knee. Left hand, right leg. 10 times. Get ready. 1. Back. Relax. 2. 3. Jab. Knee. 4. 5. Back. Cool. 6. Jab. Step. Knee. 7. 8. 9. Good. And 10. Okay. Before we go into the left knee, I want to combine our elbow into that. And now you're going to see how Muay Thai starts coming together. Okay. We're going to throw a jab, rear knee in our stance, rear elbow. Jab, rear knee, bring it back, rear elbow. Okay, show them
How
a
it
couple.
works. No,
Yeah.
it's on me.
So here's how this works in a fighting situation, right? Jab to bring his hands high, right? It's all about step 3, 4, 5, 6, not the first one. Boom, his hands are up. Now his stomach is open. Knee, he brings his hands down because that hurt. Bang, Then you come with the elbow. Working different levels. So you're going high, middle, high. Throw it a couple times in the air. Watch us get a little flow, and then we'll go to a count of 10. We're not rushing. Don't rush. And don't worry about power. Cool. We're combining our punch, our knee, and our elbow. Let's get it. 10 times. Keep up with us. 1. Reset. 2. Reset. 3. 4. 5. 6. Flow, flow. Whole body. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Good, good, good. Good. Okay. We're going to do pike push-ups.
Ooh, my favorite.
Pike push-ups. Sam will demonstrate.
Anyone do yoga?
If anybody does yoga here, you're almost going to start in a downward dog position. All right, downward dog position. Legs are spread out, wider than your hips. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to look down towards the ground. It actually helps to look up a little bit. And I want your forehead and your eyes to go towards the mat. Working your shoulders. Take your time. Working your shoulders. Get down. We're going to do 20. Get it, Sam.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20.
Getting old.
Good for punching power. When we're punching, you notice Mazin leans, punches his shoulders a little bit, right? So because he's leaning forward a slight bit, that shoulder does come into play.
A lot of the punches are power from your shoulders. Okay, a little tricky here. Okay, we threw the right knee. We're going to throw the left knee. And how do we throw that left knee, right? Obviously, our rear leg is ready for us to throw because it's behind us. But how do we get the left one involved, right? We just think, oh, how do I generate power from picking it up? Well, here's how. Get in your stance, okay? Step back a little, step back. Here's how. You're in your stance, so everybody, you guys know Muhammad Ali, right? Shuffle, just like him, but come back to your stance, right? Shuffle, come back. Relax. At my cue. Shuffle, come back. Control. Shuffle, back. Shuffle. Now watch this. Shuffle, knee. You gain momentum from that shuffle. So when your rear leg goes back, it's in that position, knee. Then you land down and you're in your stance again. So it's a switch knee. This is my lead leg. Switch knee. You drop it down and get back in your stance. Switch knee. So when you switch, the switching leg, your right leg that initially switches out 45 degrees. Just how we were doing with the right leg when we threw the step knee. 45 degrees, come up a knee. Sam, show them a couple times. All right. So switch knee 10 times. Get ready. 1, switch, knee, back to your stance, left leg forward. 2, switch, knee, back to your stance. Don't stay in your opposite stance. 4, 5, 6, 7, back to stance. 8, 9, thrust your hip forward. 10, great. Good, good. Let's do backward lunges. So, big shoulder width, right? Back, lunge. Come back to the center. Other leg. Lunge. Let's go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, what are we missing? Kicks. Last thing, kicks. How do we kick, huh? There's a lot of wrong ways to kick. I'll tell you that. Here's the right way. Get in your stance. When I throw with my right leg, okay, I need, number 1, is to step out with my left leg. I need to open up my hip. That same principle counts for that knee. Okay, so now I step out, my hip is open. Okay, when I throw my right leg, I want to swing my right hand because it gets my hip involved. Step, that kick, I want to kick through my target. I'm not snapping or going like this. My whole shin is involved. My whole hip is involved. Stop. I kick through. Get back in that set.
All right.
All right? So if you want to control it, watch this. Step, knee comes up, turn, bring it back. Step, kick, back. So I'm going to show you the power that the Muay Thai kick generates and how important it is to turn the hip. Actually, so I want to go across his whole body. Right? I want to get his ribs. Right? Back. Right? You got to turn your hip. And you need to, most importantly, pivot your base foot. Your base foot has to pivot and turn. If not, the kick looks like this. Turn your base foot. Oh. That's the kick. That's the power. Step, turn your hip. 10 times. Let's get ready. Get in your Muay Thai stance. Let's work on retracting it. Kick, turn, come back. Don't go past your center line. Get ready. 1. Bring it back. I'm in my stance. 2. Bang. Bring it back. Your left hand up. 3. Bring it back. 4. Back. 5. Back. Pivot your base foot. 6. Back. 7. Back. 8. Back. 9. Back. And 10. Back. Good. So now we got the left leg. It's the same principle when it comes to the switch knee. Do the switch knee. Now, switch out 45 degrees and now kick with that left leg. Switch, kick. Right, show him, Sam? Terrible, dude. Switch, kick.
Because I'm swimming with this arm, it's a counterbalance, and that's why I don't lose balance and keep going.
And time. Switch, kick. Get ready. 1. Notice how Sam is calm. He's back in his stance. 2. Switch 45. Kick. 3. Good. Look at his hips. Look how wide his legs are. 4. Nice kick. 5. Keep your hands up. Don't bring them at your chest. You got to keep them up high. I forgot what number we're on. 7. Hands up. 8. Good. 9. And 10. Okay. Let's put it together. Yeah, let's put it together. All right, here's the combo. 1, elbow same side. 2, elbow same side. Rear knee, bring it back. Same side kick. Boom. Jab, elbow, back. 2, elbow, back. Knee with the rear leg. Kick, bring it back. Okay, do it a couple times. I don't need that. Yeah. So we're just gonna do it together. Just watch us for like a minute or so. Jab, elbow, cross elbow, rear knee, rear kick. Right? So notice Sam is just in a flow. He's flowing. Watch. Jab, elbow, cross, elbow, knee, back to stance, back to balance, then the kick. Keep going on your own, everybody. Let's go. Good, keep going. Just get loose, keep moving. Jab, elbow, cross, elbow same side. Knee, bring it back. Kick, back. Keep going. Jab, elbow, cross, elbow. Rear knee, bring it back, rear kick. Good. Keep going. 30 seconds, everybody. Let's go. 30 seconds. $15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and break. Good. Okay. We gotta get our stomachs tight. We're gonna do Thai crunches. Sam's gonna show you what those look like. Move back towards me just a little bit. So his legs are gonna be straight. His arms are gonna be completely behind him, out straight. You can keep your legs off the ground. And the whole time, you're gonna bring your hands up and over towards your chest as you bring your knees in at the same time. Show him, Sam. Down, hands behind your head, and you gotta bring your hands over. So you work your upper abs, upper and lower. You work both. We're gonna do it 20 times. Get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ugh. Feels good. Stretch it out if you'd like. Everybody get up, everybody up if you're on the ground. Grab one leg right from your ankle. Squeeze. Release. Other leg. Release. Work out the shoulders. Put your arm across your chest. Pick an arm. Other side, other arm. And release. Pull the chair. Bring that bench. Bring that bench over. That's what we got.
Basics.
Those are the basics of Muay Thai. Hopefully everybody had fun. There's a lot to learn. It's a vast library of a lot of moves, but what I wanted to cover today was really stance. Your first two punches, which are the jab and the cross, your knees from both sides, your elbows from both hands, and your kicks from both sides. And yeah, there's a lot more to it. There's clinch, and there's combinations. There's also check, defense. It's pretty much endless, and the journey here never ends.
A fun way to learn to protect yourself and to get fit as well. And it's just a fun hobby.
Yeah, so hopefully this piqued your interest in Muay Thai. Do your research. There's a lot of things on YouTube. You can follow our gym at Chicago Muay Thai. Our Instagram is probably the most active outlet, but we have Facebook, and we're about to launch a new website and app and all that good stuff. If you need our info, just you can grab it from Taylor. If you have any questions and you want to type them up on the screen, go ahead. We'll be happy to ask anything. Thank you so much. Some people find it useful. Yeah, that's the thing. And you know, there's a lot of these gyms where you walk in and the whole gym is heavy bag, and there's just people hitting. Well, I mean, don't learn bad technique. That's all I have to say. You know, and anytime you learn good technique, you'll get better. You don't want a false sense of security, and we guarantee that here. Mm-hmm. So, yeah. You want to say anything?
No, just to his point, practice makes permanent. So it is good to practice these. These are things you can practice, throwing your jab, keeping your elbow tucked, etc. But if you do practice with bad technique, it'll become how you practice Muay Thai, boxing in general.
And it takes double the time to unlearn the bad habits.
Mm-hmm.
So
it goes for everything.
Yeah.
Coding.
Yeah, and then, yeah, exactly. And then I guess the last thing, you know, what Muay Thai will do for you is you will learn how to defend yourself. And I think if you're going to take anything today, take that stance, how to actually stand, how to keep your hands up, how to keep your chin tucked. And thank you all for training with us. We're going to bow out. We're going to say thank you in Thai. Kap kun kap, everybody. Thank you so much for training with us. Have a good day. Enjoy it. Thank you.
Real quick, guys, just so you know, we will have this class again on July 2nd,
That was hard.
July 16th, and 30th.
It's a little different with the
So please tune
weather
in.
heating up, right?
Yeah, I know. Let's get in there. Thank you.
That was a good experience.